The next-gen Apple Watch could feature a wraparound display. Highsnobiety. Fate, Kaleid liner Prisma Illya Licht. Namae no Nai Shouju movie will premiere this summer. Anime trending news. Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6 is coming on March 29. GSMarena.com news. GSMarena.com. What to make of AstraZeneca's vaccine data? And debate around them. Stat. 1170 kpug/am, kpug 1170. 1170 kpug/am, kpug 1170. Could Bitcoin be one day outlawed by U.S. government? Crypto Globe? Rocket League Season 3 brings F1 and NASCAR to the stadium, Polygon. ICBC starts sending COVID-19 rebate checks Friday. BC News, Castanet.net. Apple Loop. Stunning iPhone 13 upgrade. iPad Pro leaks. New MacBook keyboard problems. Forbes. Scientists thrilled to observe the first milliseconds of gold crystal formation. Science.